Hi everyone, my name is Lutik. I'm the founder and CEO of XEV. I want to create an ultimate user experience mobility product to everyone, which is different than anything you can see on the road today and have so much more fun. The way people do cars are too slow and too costly. They spend hundreds of millions in 4 to 5 years of time to develop a new product. So we have to change for the new product, for the new generation and new age of the user demand. And that's why we are using a 3D printing technology to create cars. 3D printing is literally erase 90% of the time and cost of developing a new product. And because it's so cheap and so fast, it allows us to frequently update the car due to the market demands and the user feedback. And this time is in the ratio of 3 to 4 months instead of 3 to 4 years compared to the traditional technology. And apart from you can get the car better, traditional company try to use one product to fit everybody. And I think it's wrong because the people's needs are different. And there's a way 3D printing can come in to solve that problem because it's so cheap and fast, so it can allow us to actually design different products for different people. Because of the benefit from the 3D printing, it saves time, money, and waste of material. So we can provide you a very fun and beautiful car still with a very affordable cost. Besides the beauty and the fun, safety is always the concentration part of our team. 3D printing technology can create panels which 7 to 8 times stronger than any traditional methodology. So it means our car is much stronger in the crash and much safer as an automotive product. We have a very experienced and passionate team working years to get these revolutionary solutions. It will change how cars are made today. Our product will be the extension of you in terms of design and functionality, and it will keep going and improve, perfecting the user experience with your feedback. Now, we need your support to complete this extraordinary mission and goal. We want to get this car on the road with your support.